Welcome to today's video, where we uncover one of the most adorable and fascinating behaviors in the bunny world, binkying. If you've ever seen your bunny jump, twist, and look like it's dancing with joy, you're not alone. This playful leap, known as binkying, is not just cute, it actually holds a lot of meaning about your bunny's emotions. In this video, we'll explore what binkying really is, why bunnies do it, and what it can tell you about your furry friend's mood and well-being. So, grab your bunny and let's dive into the joyful world of binkying. Be sure to stick around till the end to learn how you can encourage this fun behavior in your own bunny. Section 1. What is binkying? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is binkying? A binky is a spontaneous and joyful jump that bunnies do, often accompanied by a twist or a little spin mid-air. This exuberant leap is a sign of extreme happiness and excitement. When you see your bunny binkying, it's not just a random hop, it's a declaration of joy. Binkying typically happens when a bunny feels safe, comfortable, and content in its environment. It's their way of expressing positive emotions. Just like a human might dance when they're excited, bunnies perform this charming leap to express their excitement and happiness. Binkying can be a response to different stimuli, new toys, a favorite person, or even just the joy of running around in a spacious area. But it's not all about joy. Sometimes binkying can be a form of energy release. Bunnies have a lot of pent-up energy, especially if they're young or very active. A burst of binkying is a way to channel all that energy into a fun, athletic leap. So, next time your bunny goes airborne, know that it's not just being silly, it's expressing pure joy in its own unique way. Section 2. Why do bunnies binky? Now that we know what binkying is, let's explore why bunnies do it. The simple answer is, it's a sign of happiness. But there's more to it. Binkying is a natural, instinctual behavior that serves a number of purposes in a bunny's life. First and foremost, binkying is a way for bunnies to communicate. While they can't speak, binkying is a clear expression of joy and comfort. If your bunny is binkying around you, it's telling you that it feels safe and happy in your presence. This is an important indicator of the bond between you and your pet, showing that your bunny trusts you and feels secure in its environment. Additionally, binkying is a sign of a bunny's physical health. When bunnies are well exercised and in good shape, they are more likely to binky. It's a form of physical release, as binkying involves a lot of movement, stretching, and muscle engagement. A bunny that doesn't binky might be feeling stressed, unwell, or not getting enough exercise. Another reason bunnies binky is to express excitement. Whether it's discovering a new hiding spot, getting a treat, or just enjoying some playtime, binkying is a bunny's way of showing off its enthusiasm. It's similar to how humans might jump up and down when they're thrilled. Section 3. The physical mechanics of a binky. Let's take a deeper dive into the physical side of binkying. How exactly do bunnies pull off such acrobatic feats? A bunny's body is perfectly designed for jumping and running, which is why binkying is such a natural behavior. Binkying involves a combination of speed, agility, and coordination. When a bunny jumps mid-air, it uses its powerful hind legs to launch itself off the ground. These hind legs are much stronger and longer than the front legs, which gives them the ability to leap high and far. The twist or spin that often accompanies a binky is the result of a bunny's balance and coordination, as it's instinctively able to control its body mid-air. The joy and excitement that trigger binkying also activate the bunny's adrenaline. When a bunny is excited, the body releases endorphins and dopamine, the same chemicals that make us feel good when we're happy or excited. This rush of feel-good hormones can result in an explosive burst of energy, leading to that happy, high-flying leap we all know as a binky. Binkying also helps bunnies stretch their muscles and release any pent-up energy. Just like how a cat might stretch after waking up, binkying allows bunnies to stay flexible and active. It's an important part of keeping their bodies in good shape and helps them stay mentally stimulated as well. Section 4. Binkying in the wild versus pet bunnies. While binkying is often associated with pet bunnies, wild bunnies also engage in this joyful leap, but for different reasons. In the wild, binkying can be an expression of excitement, much like it is in domestic rabbits. However, in the wild, it could also serve as a form of communication with other rabbits. Wild bunnies are often more cautious and less likely to binky in open spaces, as they must remain vigilant for predators. But when they feel safe and are in a secure environment, wild bunnies may perform binkying as a way to communicate excitement or to signal to others in their group. Pet bunnies, on the other hand, have a much safer environment. They binky not only to express happiness, but also as a response to their interactions with humans and the environment. Pet bunnies are more likely to binky in response to new experiences, such as exploring a new room, being fed a special treat, or playing with a new toy. This means that pet bunnies often binky more frequently than wild rabbits, as they have less to worry about and more to be excited about. Understanding the differences in binkying behavior between wild and pet bunnies can give us insight into how domestic bunnies see their world, a world full of joy, excitement, and security. Section 5. How to encourage binkying in your bunny. Now that we know what binkying is and why bunnies do it, you might be wondering how you can encourage your bunny to binky more often. Luckily, there are a few things you can do to create the perfect environment for your bunny to express its joy. First, provide plenty of space for your bunny to run around and explore. Bunnies are active creatures, and they need space to hop and play freely. If your bunny is confined to a small cage or space, it might feel frustrated or stressed, which can prevent it from binkying. The more room your bunny has to move, the more likely it is to display this joyful behavior. Next, make sure your bunny has enough stimulation. Binkying often happens after a bunny encounters something exciting, like a new toy or a fun activity. Offering your bunny toys to chew, puzzles to solve, or even a cardboard box to explore can keep it mentally engaged and more likely to binky. Lastly, give your bunny lots of attention and affection. Binkying is a sign of trust and happiness, so the more you interact with your bunny in a positive and gentle way, the more likely it is to feel comfortable enough to binky in your presence. Positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, can also help encourage this behavior. By providing a safe, stimulating, and loving environment, you can increase the chances of seeing your bunny perform this adorable and joyful leap. And there you have it, everything you need to know about binkying. Whether it's a sign of joy, a burst of energy, or simply a way for your bunny to communicate, binkying is one of the cutest and most heartwarming behaviors in the animal kingdom. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning behind your bunny's jumps and how to encourage them to binky even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bunny tips and fun content. And of course, let us know in the comments, does your bunny binky? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.